Hi, welcome to D2G channel. இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க and கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 11th standard second midterm testோட physics important 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks questions பார்க்க போறோம். First 2 marks question. First one, what is mean by escape speed in the case of the earth? Next, state Hooke's law of velocity. Next, state Pascal's law in fluids. Next, define specific heat capacity and give its unit. Next, why moon has no atmosphere. Next, define the term degrees of freedom. Next, during a cyclic process, heat engine absorbs 500 joule of heat from a hot reservoir, does work and elects an amount of heat 300 joule into the surroundings cold reservoir. Calculate the efficiency of the heat engine. Next one, why do we have seasons on earth? Next, what is Reynolds number? Give its significance. Next, a metal plate of area 2.5 in 10 power minus 4 meter squared is placed on a 0.25 into 10 power minus 3 meter thick layer of castor oil. If a force of 2.5 Newton is needed to move the plate with the velocity 3 into 10 power minus 2 ms minus 1. Calculate the coefficient of viscosity of castor oil. Next one. What is Wien's law? Next one, why moon has no atmosphere? Next one, define weight. Next, define terminal velocity. Next, what is meant by simple harmonic acceleration? Next, define molar specific heat capacity. Next, a refrigerator has COP of 3. How much work must be supplied to the refrigerator in order to remove 200 joule of heat from its entrance? COP means coefficient of performance. Next 18, define Poisson's ratio. Next state Archimedes principle. Next, what do you mean by capillarity or capillary action? Next, state Stephen Boltzmann law. Next, why is the energy of a satellite or any other planet negative? What are the geostationary and polar satellites? So, இதில் 23 2 marks question இருக்கு. இந்த 23 2 marks question நல்லா prepare பண்ணிக்கங்க. Next 3 marks question. First one, obtain an expression for the excess of pressure inside a liquid drop. Next one, what is Reynolds number? Give its significance. Very, very important question. Next one, distinguish between streamline flow and turbulent flow. Next one, what is the application of surface tension? Next, what are the interference arrived in COP of a refrigerator? So, this is important question. Next one, explain in detail the isothermal process. Next one, write down the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. Next one, a solid sphere has a radius of 1.5 centimeter and a mass of 0.038 kilogram. Calculate the specific gravity or relative density of the sphere. Next one, explain in detail the geostationary and polar satellite. Important question. Next one, a football at 27C has 0.5 moles of air molecules. Calculate the internal energy of air in the ball or is equal to 8.31 joule mole minus 1 K minus 1. Next question, what is PV diagram for isobaric process, isogoric process? Next one, what are the factors affecting the surface tension of a liquid? Next one, describe the Brownian motion. Next one, during a cyclic process, a heat engine absorbs 500 joule of heat from a hot reservoir, does work and elects an amount of heat 300 joule into the surrounding cold reservoir. Calculate the efficiency of the heat engine. Important question. Next, describe the anomalous expansion of water. How is it helpful in our lives? Next one, what is meant by periodic and non-periodic motion? Give any two examples for each motion. Next, derive the work done in an isobaric process. Important question. Next one, derive an expression for elastic energy stored per unit volume of a wire. Next one, derive an equation for the total pressure at a depth h below the liquid surface. Next one, a wire of length 2 meter with the area of cross section 10 power minus 6 m minus 2 is used to suspend a load of 980 Newton. Calculate the stress developed in the wire. Next, the energy stored given y is equal to 12 into 10 power Newton meter square. Next question. Explain the different types of modulus of elasticity. Next question. Obtain an equation of continuity for the flow of fluid and the basis of conservation of mass. Next one. Write down the expression for the Stokes force and explain the symbol involved in it. Next question. State Pascal's law in fluids and explain hydraulic lift. Important question. Next one, give the expression for linear area and volume thermal expansion. So 25 3 marks question இருக்கு. இந்த 25 3 marks question நல்லா prepare பண்ணிக்கங்க. Next 5 marks question. First one, derive an expression for escape speed. Next one, describe the total degree of freedom for monoatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, triatomic molecule. Next one, explain the variation of gram with the depth from the Earth's surface. Next one, explain in detail Newton's law of cooling. Next one, derive Bayes' relation for an ideal gas. Next one, state and prove Bernoulli's theorem for a flow of incompressible, non-viscous and streamlined flow of fluid. Next one, write down the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. Next one, explain the different types of modulus of elasticity. Important question. Next one, derive an expression for Carnot engine efficiency. Next one, derive an expression for the terminal velocity of a sphere moving in high viscous fluid using Stokes force. Next one, derive Poisson's formula for the volume of a liquid flowing where second throw a pipe onto and streamline flow. Next one, derive an expression for energy of satellite. So, இதில் 12 5 marks question இருக்கு. Total இந்த 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks எல்லாத்தையும் நல்லா prepare பண்ணிக்கிங்க. Thank you for your watching.